Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Presque, local and long-distance movers near me. Presque Isle Local 3 Movers is the best for local moves in Presque Isle. With a team of experienced locals who have moved belongings in Presque for decades, you are in the best hands with Presque Isle Local TM Movers. Presque Isle Local 3 Movers has the best equipment for a successful move, and it would be best to trust your Presque Local 3 Movers with your move rather than do it yourself. For the best Presque Isle movers, long-distance movers, look as far as Presque Isle Long-Distance 3 Movers. With experienced professionals with a fantastic track record of out-of-state moves, your belongings are safe and secure with our expert packing, wrapping, and safety measures. Regardless of the distance or weight of your belongings, we will ensure that we deliver them all safely. With our double wrapping and safety-conscious arrangement, we will protect your fragile items and ensure that all your belongings get to your home in the best condition. For moves that take longer than a day of travel, we also have the option of moving storage to prevent theft. Trust our Presque Isle movers for long-distance moves, and we'll ensure that you have an enjoyable experience. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Presque moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.